In today's video, I'll show you on how you can edit clips on Outplay TV. Basically, I have my game loaded up right here, and I'm just going to save my replay to make sure that it's a fresh video clip on my side. I'll just press F8, and then it will automatically save the replay for my game right here. From there, I can then exit out of the game and then head over to the Outplay TV application, which will then save all of our replays onto this session category. And basically, to edit your clip, it's going to be really simple. Now, there's ain't much to do inside the video editor for Outplay, but what we can do is to quick trim the clip if you want the video to be cut out quickly. So for example, I can just click on this option and then I can reduce the clip, showing just the most crucial part, which is going to be this one, let's say. And from there, you can simply click on the quick trim once again, and then it will trim the clip completely. Now we can also press on the Control E, so it will open up the editor for Outplay TV. Inside, you can then select your project. So I'll be creating a new project. Click Open in Editor, and from here we can then completely edit out the video the way we want to. So if you click on this option, we have something like the crop options. You have your projects right here. You can edit out the volume, the watermark, and more. Once again, there ain't much to do inside this editor, but you will be able to cut your videos, duplicate your videos, and more. And if you're done, just click on the export video option. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.